Alright guys, today we are putting this Marry Me chicken recipe to the test. For those who don't know, this is a recipe that went viral claiming that you would get a wedding proposal after your significant other ate it. Let's test that out. I'm using 3 chicken breasts and slicing them in half to make 6, but you can definitely adjust your recipe if you have less or more people, but I think you'll want more since it's so delicious. I'm thinning out my chicken breast to help the seasoning penetrate the meat, and it also helps the meat cook more evenly. Drizzle your chicken breast with some olive oil, and for the seasoning I'm using 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of onion salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure to fully coat your chicken on both sides. I'm using 1 medium shallot, but you can definitely substitute with 1 medium onion as well. I'm going to thinly dice this and set it aside. The recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic, which means 4 in my world. Plus, I really wanted to use my new garlic presser that scrapes the garlic off for you. How awesome is that? Coat your chicken on both sides in flour. I lightly seasoned my flour with garlic powder. Make sure to fully cover your chicken. This is what's going to give it that crispy crust that we love. To brown our chicken, I'm using the oil from our sun-dried tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook your chicken until brown for about 4 minutes on each side. We don't want to overcook our chicken because it will cook a little in the sauce as well, and there's nothing worse than some overcooked chicken. Well, I guess undercooked chicken could end very bad as well and make you very sick. Set your cooked chicken aside and drain some of the oil in preparation to make our sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's add in our shallots and cook until aromatic. We don't want to add the garlic too soon so that the garlic doesn't burn. After your garlic has sauteed for a few minutes, deglaze your pan with your 1 cup of chicken stock. Add in 1 cup of heavy cream and half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Yes, freshly grated, please. Add in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, mine has red pepper flakes in it, and a teaspoon of onion salt. Add in your sun-dried tomatoes and let the sauce simmer for about 5 minutes or until it is visibly thicker. Taste for salt and make any adjustments needed. Here comes a slurp. Oh geez. Add in your chicken and let it simmer for about another 5 minutes or so. Top with your basil, and now we are ready to put this bad boy to the test. Let's see what happens, y'all. Before. Okay, it's going good so far. All right, guys. Is that a question I see looming in his mind? No, he just looks very confused. So no ring, but it was still delicious, and I totally recommend this dish.